So next step is define tolerance limit for general ledger accounts. SPRO, SAP reference image, financial accounting new. Then general ledger accounting new, business transactions, open item clearing, then clearing differences. From that, click on define tolerance group for general ledger accounts. Click on that. Now, company code, you can give MD, that is MD for McDonald's. Tolerance group description, that is tolerance group for MD. Now, debit posting, you can give 100 and percentage is 1%. Credit posting 100, same, percentage is 1%. Now enter and click on save. So now that you have saved the tolerance limit for general ledger accounts. Now next step is define tolerance group for employees. Go back and click on define tolerance group for employees. Click on that and click on new entries. Here you can give company code MD, currency is INR. Now amount per document. Here amount per document we will give infinity. In SAP, infinity we usually give as 10 9. That is 10 numbers. 9 digit we will give 10 times. So that is infinity. That denotes infinity. Then amount per open item, that also infinity. Cash discount per item, that will give 1%. Now click on save. So now that we have created the highest tolerance limit.